Sometimes the greatest rewards from Allah come from the smallest acts. Acts so small, we don't even realize how big they are in the sight of Allah. Your parents spent their entire lives serving you, and Allah in His mercy made it easy for you to earn Jannah by serving the same two people who once served you. The Prophet said, "May he be disgraced who finds his parents in old age and does not enter paradise by serving them." Muslim. Even giving water to your parents is written as sadaqah, one small glass, yet enormous reward. Kindness to parents begins with your tongue, not money, not gifts, not grand gestures, just your voice. Allah says in the Quran, "Do not even say uff to your parents, and speak to them with noble, respectful words." Quran 17:23. One soft sentence from you can erase years of hurt for them and open gates of mercy for you. There is a reward even in just sitting with them, listening, letting them talk about old memories, letting them repeat the same stories again and again. This time you give them is time Allah gives back to you as barakah, as protection, as ease. When you hold your parents' hand, when you help them walk, when you slow down your steps for them, do you know what the angels write? This child walked slowly for their parent. On the day of judgment, Allah will slow down the hardships for them. There is no act more beloved to Allah than feeding your parents. One bite, just one bite, is written as a mountain of good deeds. You fed them when they were young. Now Allah watches how you feed them when they are old. Your parents pray for you every day, even when they don't say it. But Allah made this rule. The dua of a child for his parents never goes unanswered. O Allah, have mercy on them as they had mercy on me when I was small. When this dua leaves your lips, angels rush to respond. This is a test from Allah and a gift. When you clean after your parents in their weakness, Allah cleans your life from sorrow. When you carry their burden, Allah carries yours. No action is too small. Even picking up their dropped spoon is written in the book of Jannah. Your parents' feet have walked miles for you. They have stood for you, run for you, sacrificed for you. And when you massage their feet, Allah massages your life with peace, blessings, and ease. And there is one act of humility that only the most soft-hearted children practice. After massaging your parents' feet, if you gently touch or kiss their feet out of respect, Allah raises your honor in both this world and the hereafter. This is not worship. This is love. This is adab. This is humility. This is your heart bowing to the sacrifice of the two people who never let you fall. Start practicing this every night before sleeping with sincerity, and you will notice money, opportunities, blessings, and rizq will start coming from places you could never imagine. Because when you honor your parents, Allah opens doors that no human can ever close. So serve them with your hands, and Allah will fill your hands with barakah, inshallah, always.